Today I will be taking your English text and the chapter is rain. Okay. And the chapter I will be writing the question and answer that I have discussed in the previous class. Okay. And today I will be writing it. Open page number 55. Page number 55, all of you open of your marigold book. And let's see the reading is fun part. No one will do any mischievous work. Okay, all of you concentrate in the class. Let's write the reading is fun. We can see reading is fun. There are two questions. First question, where does the rain fall? We all know that. We all know the answer. So write it down quickly. The rain falls. All of you write it in your copies. Okay? In your English copy, all of you. The rain falls on fields and trees. Got it? Now I am writing the second one. What do people use when it rains? We all know the answer. Yes, the rain, yes, Shaptoshi, good. The rain falls on fields and trees. Good. What do the people use when it rains? People use umbrella, raincoat, and gumboots when it rains. Isn't it? People use umbrella, raincoat and gumboots when it rains. Write it down without any mistake and let me know that you have completed, so I will be erasing these. All of you have completed? Can I erase? Okay. Okay, I am just waiting for 1 more minute and then I will be erasing it. Where does the rain fall? The rain falls on fields and trees. What do people use when it rains? People use umbrella, raincoat and gumboots when it rains. Okay, now I'm erasing it. Now let's see the let's talk part. Let's talk part, okay? And you can see 4 questions there. First one, what do you do on a rainy day? You will write the answer on your own. You will write the answer on your own experience, okay? What do you do on a rainy day? You will write your own experience. I am moving forward with the second question. How do you keep yourself dry? In the rain. We can write it like, I use umbrella and I wear raincoat and boots to keep myself dry in the rain. Okay. I use umbrella and I wear raincoat and gum boots to keep myself dry in the rain. Okay. Write it down. Completed? Let me know through the chat box. Let me know. Write it down fast, beta. Can I erase now? Okay. So I am erasing now. Now number 3. Do you like to play in water? This is also you will write. write your own answer. Okay, you will write your own answer, yes or no. Number 4 question. Say what things live in water? We can write it like, yes, fish, whale, octopus, frog, and any other options? Fish, whale, octopus, frog, any other option? Crab, yes. Shark, yes. Etc. So we can write so on. If you want to write many more things, you can write it. Okay. Fish, whale, octopus, frog, whatever, etc. you can write. Okay. Yes, seahorse, anything you can write. Crocodile. Yes, you can write. I have just written etc. You can write so on. If you find many more things, you can write. Okay. Clear? Now, let's see the let's listen part. Let's listen part you can see here. You can see some four more questions, but these are not we need to write. We just, it's a fun thing. Let's read. Number 1. Have you heard the sound of rainfall? Yes. We can hear the sound of rainfall and it sounds like splash, isn't it? Isn't it? It sounds like splash. Number 2. What sound does the rain make on umbrella? So, yes, you can write whatever you have heard the sound. On the umbrella, we can hear the sound like pitter patter, isn't it? Number 3. What sound does the rain make on the leaves of trees? On the leaves, we can hear it like drip drop, isn't it? It is like that. Yes, all of you, like how you have heard the sounds, you can write. Number 4. What sound does the rain make on your window? It can be like tip top. Yeah, Pratushna, like how you have heard the sounds, you can write. Okay. So here in this question, these are nothing that we need to hear the sounds on the different surfaces and how the sound it makes. Okay. Now, page number 56, 57 and 58 will be your homework. Page number 56, 57, 58 will be your homework. Okay. Page number 56, 57 and 58 I have written will be your homework. Okay. Now I am moving forward with the page number 61. And I will also provide these question and answers in your e-portal. Okay. I will provide. I am erasing these page number 61, you can see some images and some fill in the blanks and a box on the upper side and some words. Okay. And tell me, let's talk two answers. Which are those, dear? I have discussed all of them. Let's talk, how do you do on a rainy day? You will write your own experience. I have not written them. Number 2, how do you keep yourself dry in the rain, Indrakshi? How do you keep yourself dry in the rain? I use umbrella or I wear raincoat and gumboots to keep myself dry in the rain. We can write it like that. Number 3, do you like to play in water? It will be your experience, yes or no, you will write it. Number 4, say what things live in water. You can write it also like many other things like fish, frogs, crocodiles, whales, sharks, octopus, anything you can write. Yes, seahorse, fish, Riddhi, okay. Now turn to page number 61. First picture. The ship is sailing on the where? Sea, isn't it? In the box we can see the option C. Now the picture 2. The dash flows from the mountain. You will be writing it in your book, okay? You will be writing it in your book. Yes, Ankita, Ojashi, Kobiru, Brithojit. Very good. Rihanshi, all of you are correct. Flows from the mountain. Mountain, river, isn't it? Number 3. Yes, it will be river, Ojashi. Good. River. The river flows from the mountain. Number 3. The duck is swimming in the dash. It will be, Ankita, yes, lake. It will be lake, Ritojit. Yeah, good. Very good. Yes. Written it, all of you. And number 4. Okay, now I am writing, erasing the number 1 to write the number 4. The frog, in the last picture, the frog lives in the we all know the answer. The pond. Yes, good. Very good. Yes. Pratyushna, Rihanshi, Shaptorshi, very good. Pond. So, the ship is sailing on the sea. The river flows from the mountain. The duck is swimming in the lake. The frog lives in the pond. Okay. So, and all of you will do homework of page number 56, 57 and 58, and I will provide the question answers in your e-portal. Okay. So, today is up to this, and all of you practice this at your home and do the homework. Okay. So, today is up to this. All of you study well at your home. Be safe and thank you for today. Bye.